Okay, children. Today we shall discuss what is subset of a set. So till now we have learned sets, different types of sets, and today we learn what is a subset. तो नेम itself is suggesting something sub. जैसे डिवीजन का सब डिविजन्स होते हैं, तो फ्रॉम दैट मेन डिवीजन यू गो इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड सब डिविजन. वैसे ही सेट को दो तीन इक्वल पार्ट्स में अगर करोगे या दो तीन टुकड़ों में बांटोगे तो एवरी पार्ट इज अ सबसेट. नाउ सपोज वी वांट टू गो टू द टॉपिक ऑफ सबसेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. तो दिस चैप्टर first we learn what is subset of a set and then we'll go to the topic on subset of real numbers. सबसे पहले subset means what? So suppose I have capital A. Capital A may contain -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Say this is set A. Now I have set B. तो सेट बी के अंदर से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई मे हैव -1, 0 and +1, right? So let us see, what do you observe? You observe that every member -1, 0 and 1. तो every member of B is present in the set A. तो I say every member of capital B is present. Every member of capital B is present in set capital A, and therefore we can say that capital B is a subset of A. So this is the symbol for subset. So this symbol stands for subset. So what do you have here? When every member of a set is present in another set, then we say that set is a member of the given set. So every member of B is present in A. So I say B is a subset of A. Now, subset of real numbers. I want to specifically discuss subset of real numbers. So real numbers, when I talk, what could be possible subsets of the set of real numbers? Let us see to that. Now, we'll talk of the different subsets of a real number. Now, let us talk of natural numbers, right? So, natural numbers, यानी कि 1, 2, 3, ... up to infinity. Whole numbers, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, ... up to infinity. Then after that you come to integers, right? Here I'll write here that this is set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers. Integers में you will have 0, then -1, -2 up to infinity, +1, +2 up to infinity. So natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. You can also talk about rational numbers. Rational numbers में you can say that any number of the category P upon Q, where P, Q belongs to integer and Q should not be equal to 0. यानी कि we are talking about fractions and decimals over here. And lastly, you come to something called as irrational numbers. This irrational numbers could be numbers of the form, they could be numbers of the form √2, √5, cube root of 6, something like this way. All such numbers will come under the category of irrational numbers. Now you just now have learned subset. जब कोई एक set पूरा का पूरा दूसरे के अंदर होता है तो we say that it is a subset. यानी कि over here if you observe carefully how many possible subsets examples you can give from this. So I can say natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Then another example which you can give, I can say whole numbers is a subset of integers. All 0, 1, 2, 3 are present over here. So therefore it is a subset of this set. Then you can say Z is a subset of Q. You can say Z is a subset of Q. And all these are also subsets of real numbers. This is a subset of real number. It is also a subset of real number. Then it is also a subset of real number. I can say irrational numbers. They are also subset of real numbers. Real numbers is the whole number line. Any possible set which you discuss over here is going to be a subset of the real numbers. So over here in subsets, what did you discuss till now? Any set, when all members of set A are present in the set B, then we say A is a subset of B. When I want to talk of subsets of real numbers, set of natural numbers, set of integers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all these sets are subsets of the real numbers. Now we'll go to some examples based on subsets. Okay. Now I have given few examples and the question is in the next exercise 1.3 and it asks you to find out whether the first set is a subset of the second set, yes or no. So members in the first set is 2, 3 and 4. ये सारे members they have to be present in the second set. Is it there? Check whether 2 is there. Yes. 3 is there. Yes. 4 is there. Yes. यानी कि every member of first set is present in the second set. So yes, it is a subset of the given set. Now we go to the second question. The set here, the pehla set, the first set is a student, any student of 11th standard in your school. यानी कि पहले set में क्या है? Only students of 11th standard. And second set जो है, the set is what? Any student of your school. मतलब any student के अंदर क्या आ सकता है? First LKG, UKG, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th up to 11th and 12th. सारे classes आ जाएंगे. तो this set is a smaller set, only 11th standard, and the second set is all students of the full school. So yes, every member of 11th standard is present in the full school. Yes. So the first set is a subset of the given set. Then you come to the third one. X is a circle in the plane with any radius. अच्छा, तो हम सर्कल की बात कर सकते हैं. तो पहले सेट में क्या है? कोई भी सर्कल में उसका रेडियस क्या है? कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. Any radius it can be. And second set में क्या है? It contains only the circles with radius 1 centimeter. तो पहले सेट में 1 centimeter का रेडियस का सर्कल तो आएगा, लेकिन इसके अलावा you are having here radius 2, 3, 4, so many other circles are there in the first set, and all circles of the first set are not present in the second set, and therefore I say that it is not a subset of the given set. Now you go to the next one. X is a triangle in the plane. पहले सेट में सारे ट्रायंगल्स हैं, दूसरे सेट में सारे क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स हैं. तो कैन यू से दैट सेट ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स इज अ सेट ऑफ क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स? नो. तो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अ सबसेट. सो 2 are subsets and 2 are not subsets, and therefore Now we'll go to next few other examples. Okay children, now next question in your exercise is to check out whether the given statements are true or false, and all are related to subset and not a subset. Okay, तो A and B, पहले सेट के दोनों मेंबर A and B are present over here. So therefore every member of set is present in the second set, and therefore yes, the statement, और एक्चुअली ये सबसेट है बट उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि इट इज नॉट अ सबसेट. तो सेट सबसेट तो है और वो कहते हैं नॉट अ सबसेट, मतलब स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. तो दिस इज फॉल्स. नाउ वी गो टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. ए कॉमा ई, ए ई आई ओ यू, ये क्या है? वॉवल्स है. तो इधर है ए और ई और इधर सारे वॉवल्स है ए ई आई ओ यू. तो ए ई आर प्रेजेंट इन ए ई आई ओ यू, यानी कि यस इट इज अ सबसेट. और वो लोग भी वही कहते हैं कि ये सबसेट है. तो दैट मीन्स दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. नाउ गो टू द सेकेंड वन. 1 2 3, तीनों तीन इधर प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए. अगर देखा जाएगा तो 1 है, हाँ है, 3 है तो है, लेकिन 2 जो है इधर वो इसके अंदर नहीं है और वो कहते हैं कि सबसेट है. तो गलत बात है. तो therefore this statement is false. Now you go to next one. Small a, इधर प्रेजेंट है, हाँ है, और वो लोग भी यही कहते हैं कि सबसेट है. तो that means the given statement is a true statement. Now a belongs to ABC. तो मेंबर में A है और इधर A, B और C, यानी कि सबसेट है. तो यहां पर देखो लिखा है कि फर्स्ट सेट इज अ सबसेट, लेकिन यहां पे सिंबल को ध्यान से देखो, इट इज बिलोंग्स टू. तो अगर सेट है दोनों तो सबसेट का सिंबल आना चाहिए, बिलोंग्स का सिंबल नहीं चलेगा. दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ऐसा आप लिख नहीं सकते. तो आपको लिखना चाहिए था सबसेट, और अगर बिलोंग लिखना है तो ओपन ए लिखना चाहिए था. तो दिस इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. एंड लास्ट वन, नेचुरल नंबर होना चाहिए, इवन होना चाहिए और 6 से छोटा होना चाहिए. 6 से छोटे इवन नंबर्स कौन से होंगे? यहाँ पे नेचुरल नंबर में 2 and 4, और यहाँ पे डिविजिबल, यहाँ x इज अ नेचुरल नंबर एंड x डिवाइड्स 36. 36 के डिवाइजर्स कौन कौन से होंगे? इट विल बी 2, इट विल बी 4, देन इट विल बी 6. तो यहाँ पे 2, 4, 6 और 9 सारे आएंगे. तो यस, दिस इसके जो मेंबर है 2 और 4 ये इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है. तो स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू एंड देयरफॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. ओके, now next question asks you to find all possible subsets of the given set. तो set capital A contains only one member, और आपसे पूछा गया how many subsets are possible for capital A. तो all possible subsets of capital A are: empty set is a subset of each and every set. कोई भी सेट हो, empty set is the first subset of it, right? Now next, एक ही मेंबर है तो what could be the other subset? तो other subset could be the same set. तो how many subsets it is having? एक empty set and एक singleton set A. तो P of A, P of A का मतलब होता है power set of A. पावर सेट ऑफ ए का क्या मतलब होता है? सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल सबसेट्स ऑफ सेट ए इज कॉल्ड एज पावर सेट ऑफ ए. तो ओवर हियर जितने भी सबसेट्स पॉसिबल है, सारे सबसेट्स को एक कर्ली ब्रैकेट में अगर आप डालोगे तो ऑल पॉसिबल सबसेट्स को एक ग्रुप में डालोगे तो दैट ग्रुप यानी कि दैट सेट इज कॉल्ड एज पावर सेट ऑफ ए. Now you go to the second set. It is having two members, A and B. सबसे पहले how many subsets can be possible? तो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स पॉसिबल विल बी 2 raised to n. तो यहाँ पे द नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स विल बी 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n मतलब हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर देयर? 2. तो ओवर हियर 2 raised to 2 यानी कि 4 सबसेट्स शुड बी पॉसिबल. तो विच आर द 4 सबसेट्स? तो एक तो empty set is a subset of every set. Then you can have single members. So I have single member A, then I can have single member B, then single वाले भी खत्म, empty खत्म हो गया, एक एक मेंबर करके रखा, that is also over. अब दो वाले मेंबर्स रखेंगे हम, तो A, B. तो these many 1, 2, 3 and 4 subsets are possible. अगर ये चारों सबसेट को एक ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे हम like this way, curly bracket में, that is singleton A, then over here it is singleton B, then here it is going to be A, B and a set containing all of them. So the set containing all possible subsets is called as power set of B. Is called as power set of B. Now यहाँ पे 3 members are there. How many members are there? 3. तो how many subsets will be possible? 2 raised to n यानी कि 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 1, 2 and 3 members are there. तो 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 का मतलब है 8. तो 8 subsets possible होंगे यहाँ पे. तो which are the subsets going to be there? तो all possible subsets of capital C are, which are the subsets? Empty set is a subset of every set. Then you go to single members. तो now I have single 1, फिर single 2 लिखूंगी मैं, then single 3 I will write, then empty लिखा, 1 member वाला लिखा. Now I write 2 members, 1, 2. Then I can write 2, 3. Then I can write it is 3, 1, 2 is there, 2, 3 is there, and 1, 3 remains. That is 1, 3. Then I can have together 1, 2, and 3. So if I write, now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If I write all these members in a single bracket, in a common bracket, then this set is going to be called as power set of C. So what is power set? Power set is a set of all possible subsets of the given set. Now यहाँ पे D is an empty set. तो it is, I have to be told कि all possible subsets, तो all possible subsets empty set से शुरू होता है, empty set से शुरू होता है, और सिंगल वाले, पर यहाँ तो मेंबर्स ही नहीं है, वरना सिंगल मेंबर, 2 मेंबर, 3 मेंबर मैं लिखती, बट यहाँ पे नथिंग इज देयर. अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स कितने होंगे? तो दैट इज 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n मतलब 2 raised to 0. Okay. Now D is an empty set. तो how many members are there? No member. No member मतलब 0. तो 2 raised to n, number of member is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1, and therefore it will have 1 member. Empty set is a subset of all possible sets. इसके आगे यहाँ sets है ही नहीं. So which I can describe? So it is having only one set. Every set will have at least 2 subsets, but empty set is only one such set जिसका सिर्फ एक सबसेट होता है. So number of subsets are going to be 2 raised to n, right? And that's all related to subsets and number of subsets. We can further discuss it next time. Thank you.